Welcome to a journey through the vibrant tapestry that is India, officially known as the Republic of India. Nestled in South Asia, India is the seventh largest country by land area. Bordered by the vast Indian Ocean, the Arabian Sea, and the Bay of Bengal, it shares its land boundaries with 6 nations: Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, and Myanmar, creating a geographical mosaic as diverse as its cultural heritage. Let's begin with India's geography, a land of contrasts. From the towering peaks of the Himalayas in the north to the fertile plains of the Indo-Gangetic region. Extending to the Deccan Plateau in the south, India's topography is as varied as it is breathtaking. Moving on to the population, India holds the title of the world's most populous nation. With over 1 billion people, it is a melting pot of ethnicities, languages, and religions. This diversity is a testament to its rich cultural fabric. Governance in India operates as a federal republic with a parliamentary system centered in New Delhi, the capital. It's a dynamic democracy where multiple voices contribute to its political landscape. Now, let's explore the culture of India, a country with an ancient history shaped by myriad civilizations. From spiritual traditions to vibrant festivals, India's cultural diversity is reflected in its numerous languages, religions, and artistic expressions. Notably, India boasts a bustling film industry known globally as Bollywood, a cultural phenomenon in its own right. Economically, India is experiencing rapid growth, emerging as a major player in sectors like information technology, agriculture, and manufacturing. This economic dynamism underscores India's position as a rising global powerhouse. Historically, India's narrative is one of resilience and transformation, home to some of the world's oldest civilizations and empires. India's journey to independence in 1947 marked a pivotal moment in its modern history, freeing itself from colonial rule. In governance, India comprises 28 states, each with its own unique identity, from Andhra Pradesh to West Bengal, along with 8 union territories. Together, they form a federation as diverse as its people. In conclusion, India is a vast and dynamic nation, offering a rich cultural heritage and a rapidly developing economy, truly exemplifying a world within a country. We invite you to explore and appreciate the incredible diversity that makes India truly incredible.